Not for me, because I haven't
Yeah,
got lots of
I know.
money.
I didn't do anything for money, so.
Okay, yeah.
So what's this?
It's the Ace of Hearts.
For this trick, it's just hearts. Just
Okay.
remember, just hearts. So, just hold on to it like this. The other hand, please. No, like this. Like, yeah, like this. So you have Ace of Hearts, right?
Yep.
So that's Ace Hearts, not Ace of Hearts. If that's Hearts, what's this one?
Diamonds?
Diamonds, yeah. This one's diamonds. You're getting good. So what I'm going to do now is exchange two cards like this. That's just a demo, right?
Okay.
That's just a demo. But now when I exchange it, it's going to be really fast,
Okay.
and you're not going to feel it. So are you ready? One, two, three. Do you think I changed it?
Whoa!
Do you think I changed it?
I don't know.
Okay. So now if you were to bet money, which one would you bet? Heart on bottom or diamonds on bottom?
See, I would go for a heart on the bottom.
Heart on bottom and diamonds on top.
Yeah.
So you don't think I changed it, or you think I changed it?
Well,
No, it shouldn't be tough actually.
I don't know.
Okay, go flip over.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's the bottom one. Oh. Oh, you're too good for me today.
That's good, right?
Wow.
Yeah, that's how
yeah.
people lose money in Vegas.
Yeah.
Yeah, they bet a lot.